The installation concert is completely different from the regular ones.
They are the people who can make and achieve whatever you wish and desire for, not once but always.
Yeah, I guess it creates a lot of change in the individual, a beautiful change in a good way.
And how is this touching my heart? How is this touching my head? How am I feeling? So what it does is it opens you up subconsciously to receive a little more.
I think after the installation concert, it was like a pathway for me to be even more freely moving around. Installation concert is progress, development, discovery, growth, all of it rolled into one. While it's still enjoyable, while it's still happening by default, it's all organic and it's all coming together.
When Shailesh is entering the installation concert and when he comes out of it, some new capabilities are developed.
But it was something magical.
Wouldn't it be wonderful if you haven't already crossed over into a journey that is accelerated and fast-tracked towards a legacy outcome where you have true freedom?
This is the most unique kind of concert that there is. Specific targeted transformation intended with music. I think this is the only place that does it.
It's all happening so fluidly without you putting any effort. That's really amazing.
Once you wake up, there's some transformation that takes place. So that's the most interesting part about it.
What stops most people from being able to cross over is not a lack of visibility into what that new future looks like. So what are your unique capabilities? What makes you a rarity? What are the brilliance, the glimpse of brilliance that only you can demonstrate in those specific ways?
And it was very experienced. Like I almost went to the other world. I felt like during the trance induction, it took me to the other alternate reality and it brought me back.
And when we come out of the concert, so many things, deep inside, it starts shifting.
Like my life has transformed. I know that for sure.
And it is not just like for a couple of minutes, it's for your entire life. So it's completely life-changing.
What are things that requires you to immediately overcome? What are things that you need to develop? What are the kinds of people who are missing in your life? What's the kind of emotions that you haven't experienced? What are the kind of emotions that are your strength, that guide what you do? Where are you intuitive? These are things you gotta know.
Turning point of my life when I met Antano and Harini.
Your levels of doing things are different, and all you did was sit back and just enjoy the magic.
It's just pure liquid gold art.
For me, they are life designers.
Gratitude for everything that they do. I think it's just beautiful and it's such a privilege to be part of this community. Forever, forever grateful.